Hey, thanks for tuning in. Today we're gonna do one of my favorite recipes. It's my mom's Vietnamese flank steak skewers. Let's get started. They're absolutely to die for. Cheers. So I'm using a flank cut of beef. However, because it's tough, you wanna cut off some of the fat, but not all of the fat. If you find any silver skin, definitely cut that out.
We're gonna cut across the grain at a 45-degree angle. Think thin, almost shave slices.
We need to make the marinade. The marinade is gonna consist of soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic powder, cracked pepper, sugar, and most importantly, scallions. I use about 3. Perfect. Leave the white. We're not using those today. We're gonna start to make our marinade.
You'll need a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar. You'll want to whisk this until the sugar is almost dissolved. After you've combined those ingredients, you'll want to slowly add in the sesame oil. Pour the marinade over the flank steak. Add in the green scallions and some cracked black pepper.
If you don't like getting your hands dirty, this is not the recipe for you. You're gonna get dirty. All right, so after you've marinated your flank steak for about, I don't know, anywhere to 15 to 2.5 hours, you want to start threading the skewer. And the goal is to make an S-type thread through it. And you want it as tight knit as possible. So as many S's as you can do, the better. And you are literally going to stack it. Don't worry, I promise you, I'm going to get you to where you need to be so that you look like a professional home cook. My grill is piping hot. We're ready to put the skewers on. Hear that sizzle? The goal is to charcoal all 4 sides. All right, once you see that the meat is starting to cook along the edges, that's when you want to flip it, okay? Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Oh my God, amazing. Once you get a nice sear on that second side, you want to do one more side. I tend to do either 3 to 4 sides. It just depends on how thick my skewers are. So now they look perfect. Look at that. Boom. And now it's time to bon appetit. Please believe I'm going to enjoy the fruits of my labor. Amazing. We're in business.